Open the boxes with your box cutter carefully to avoid scratching the finished panel surface. Neatly lay out all the parts and hardware and identify them using the parts list. We recommend placing finished panels on a towel to prevent accidentally scratching the surface during assembly. Locate the cabinet face frame and place it face down on your work surface. Use your drill and screws to attach the metal brackets at the top, middle, and bottom on all sides of the face frame. Apply a thin layer of wood glue to all joint grooves on the back of the frame. Locate the left and right side panels and insert them into the joint grooves of the frame. Be sure to align the grooves for the top and bottom panels before using your drill and screws to attach the metal brackets connecting the face frame to the side panels. Locate the top and bottom panels and insert them into the joint grooves of the frame and side panels. Press firmly to eliminate any gaps and ensure a tight fit. Locate your back panel and slide it into the joint grooves of the side panels with the framed side facing up. Use your rubber mallet to ensure the panels are correctly seated and all gaps are eliminated. Once properly aligned, use your narrow crown gun to secure the side panels to the back panel. Note: we recommend always wearing safety glasses when using nail guns or other pneumatic tools. Next, use your drill and long screws to attach the back panel to the top and bottom panels. Then, attach the metal brackets on the top and bottom panels to secure all panels together. Locate the door fronts and place them face down on your work surface. Insert the hinges into the large pre-drilled holes on the back of the doors and attach them with your drill and screws. Then attach the doors to the cabinet face frame. Adjust the hinges to properly align the doors to the desired position. Apply rubber bumpers to the inside corners of the doors. Insert your shelf pins to the desired height and angle the shelf panels into place. Congratulations on completing your assembly.